Okay, hi, I'm back. So for today, right, we'll talk about some of the more severe carpentry defects that I found. Number one is this cutout under the sink for our water pipes. See how they cut? Take note of how the wood has chipped to the left of the water piping. Yeah, I'm supposed to live with this. I really hope not. And then this one, right, is also still below the sink. You see how singed the water pipe is lah. It's just like glued onto the carpentry already. I don't know what else to say. Okay, moving on to another water pipe. But just take a look at how they cut out the holes for the water pipes to come out. By the way, we never wanted these water pipes, okay? You see how they cut until the wood already chipped upwards towards the countertop and towards the side also. I really hope this doesn't affect the integrity of our carpentry because our countertop is on top of it. Okay, I promised severe defects, right? So look at this one. This is actually the joints of two different carpentries in my kitchen. The one on the far left is actually the tall unique carpentry, while the one on the right is actually my carpentry that's below the sink. And then look at this huge gap between my countertop and the carpentry on the left. You tell me how to live with this, you tell me.